Hey guys, welcome to the SMS-iT video ads quiz section. This section is an innovative way to engage leads and customer. It offers a great opportunity for business to make their campaigns more interesting and engaging by allowing users to create interactive quizzes. With this feature, users can easily assign a name, add questions, and provide correct and incorrect answers. Moreover, users can also copy, download in Excel, or print their created quizzes. These quizzes can be tailored to the specific goals and objectives of your business. They can be designed to test customers' knowledge about your brand, promote brand awareness, and even offer rewards for customers who answer correctly. Furthermore, the quizzes can be used to drive sales, gain a better understanding of customer interest, as well as to measure customer engagement. With the SMS-iT interactive video ads quiz section, businesses can create quizzes that are unique and engaging. It allows businesses to capture customer information, which can be used to further personalize their campaigns. Moreover, business can also analyze customer responses to gain valuable insight into the effectiveness of their marketing efforts. Overall, the SMS video ads quiz section is an innovative way to engage leads and customers. It allows businesses to create interactive quizzes that are tailored to their specific goals and objectives. Please check our video on how you can create quizzes and other training articles. That'll be all for today.